almost a year now. I've always wanted to go inside and check out this beautiful shopping mall located near the intersection between Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road in Sharjah's Muweillah commercial. I decided to go there on a weekday during the lunch hours, as I was afraid of the congestion that usually amounts into the shopping malls during peak weekend hours. This place is the true definition of happiness, and that can be witnessed onto the smiling faces of the shoppers. A friend of mine from Tiffany Flowers invited me to take a closer look into their store, and honestly, it was decorated and it was lit. I decided to walk and explore through this gigantic mall that houses the largest hypermarket in the United Arab Emirates. Many vantage points inside the mall offer Instagrammable spots, and photoholics can't wait much longer to take selfies and share them with their loved ones. As per my notice, when it comes to dining out, most of the cuisines are from the Indian subcontinent, and it might be because of the large Indian community in Sharjah's Muweillah commercial area. Going ahead, I discovered a large children amusement play area, which was a few meters from the furniture store and the food court. An amazing experience I had visiting the Safari Mall, and definitely it's one of the best in the United Arab Emirates. I really can't wait to go back sometime again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and inspire me to create more awesome content. Thumbs up, much love.